Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, and I'm super excited to share it with you. Imagine having the power to create high-quality, personalized cards and IDs right at your fingertips, without the need to wait in line or outsource the job. That's exactly what the Fargo DTC1250e single-sided desktop dye sublimation/thermal transfer printer offers, and I'm here to give you the lowdown on this incredible device. One of the standout features of the Fargo DTC1250e is its incredible speed. As the fastest printer in its class, it minimizes wait time for personalized cards and IDs, allowing you to get on with your day without delay. Whether you're a business owner looking to create employee badges, a school administrator needing to produce student IDs, or an event organizer requiring custom event passes, this printer has got you covered. With the ability to churn out high-quality cards at an impressive rate, you'll be able to focus on more important tasks, safe in the knowledge that your printing needs are being taken care of. But speed is just one aspect of this amazing printer. The output quality is also truly impressive, creating high-quality, visually rich credentials on demand. The dye sublimation and thermal transfer printing technology ensures that your cards are not only professional-looking, but also durable and long-lasting. Whether you're printing text, images, or a combination of both, the Fargo DTC1250e delivers exceptional results that are sure to impress. And with the ability to print on a wide range of card types, including PVC, PET, and more, you'll have the flexibility to create the perfect card for your specific needs. Another key benefit of the Fargo DTC1250e is its simplicity. With a plug-and-play design, you'll be up and running in no time, thanks to an intuitive user-focused interface that makes setup, consumables loading, and operation a breeze. The printer is designed with the user in mind, featuring a compact and sleek design that won't take up too much space on your desk. And with automatic ribbon detection and loading, you'll be able to focus on more important tasks rather than getting bogged down in complicated printer setup and maintenance. But what really sets the Fargo DTC1250e apart is its commitment to security and sustainability. With built-in AES, 256 encryption and resin scramble data protection, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your sensitive data is protected. And with its Green Circle certified energy efficiency and support for eco-friendly refill ribbons and rewritable cards, you'll be supporting your green initiatives and reducing your environmental impact. This is a printer that not only produces high-quality results, but also helps you do your part for the planet. In conclusion, the Fargo DTC1250e single-sided desktop dye sublimation/thermal transfer printer is an incredible device that offers a unique combination of speed, quality, simplicity, security, and sustainability. Whether you're a business, organization, or individual looking to create high-quality, personalized cards and IDs, this printer is sure to meet your needs. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Fargo DTC1250e today and start creating professional-looking cards and IDs with ease. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. With its impressive features and user-friendly design, this printer is set to revolutionize the way you produce personalized cards and IDs. So go ahead, take the leap, and experience the power of the Fargo DTC1250e for yourself. Your future self will thank you.